Bitcoin has been seeing this massive crash towards the downside being created, but I think that the bottom is in already, and I think that the next Bitcoin move is going to be surprising many of you. Bitcoin has been finding massive support while the indicators have been getting reset, and in the larger time frames, we are still just consolidating over here, waiting for that next Bitcoin move. So we need to be talking about that exactly. So make sure to push up that like button. Can we once again smash it back above the 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, in the short term, during the course of this weekend, we have been dumping even more towards the downside, of course, causing us to create this Bitcoin CME gap. And the thing that I always tell you is that whenever Bitcoin is creating a CME gap, well, most likely at the beginning of every week, it is gonna get filled, especially if this CME gap is towards the upside, because of course we are still in this bull market, we are still in an uptrend. I'm going to be showing all of this a little bit later, but especially if the CME gap is going to be getting created towards the upside, just like right now, it's just going to be very likely that it is going to be getting filled in a matter of days to even a matter of hours. And this is also exactly where I've been talking about on my Twitter page, and of course also already many times on my YouTube channel. And just like I told you yesterday and the day before, well, we are getting supported by this massive level of support. Of course, I've been telling you to not be getting fooled because of this massive Bitcoin crash. I think it will all be pretty fine in a couple of days. I still do have my Bitcoin trade open. It is still in a slight little profit. Of course, I've been sharing this Bitcoin trade whenever it was in a loss, whenever it was at break even, and also I'm going to be showing it whenever it's in a profit. Now, of course, Bitcoin is getting supported by key levels. Now, if we are going to be falling down below these levels of support, well, then we should start to get a little bit more worried. But right now, that is not happening at all. And what is actually happening is that the Bitcoin funding rates are even flipping negative. On Bybit, you can be seeing it right here. It is flipping negative. And like I've been talking about for many times, whenever the Bitcoin funding rates are actually flipping negative or very low, well, this is going to be indicating a very good opportunity to buy. Of course, in the last bull market, all of the time during this huge rally towards the upside, whenever the Bitcoin funding rates were trading very low or even sometimes negative, well, all of the time it has been a very good moment to actually start accumulating more Bitcoin and accumulate your positions. So yeah, right now actually a similar event, just like right here is actually happening in my opinion. And right now is going to be a very good time to start accumulating more Bitcoin. That is exactly what I'm doing. Now, if we are going to be having a look into what's a Bitcoin open interest, we can be seeing this same exact thing, because during this dump towards the downside, a lot of Bitcoin open interest has been getting flushed out of the market. To be exact, about $2 billion of open interest has been getting flushed out of the market over here because of this crash. Now, because of this, we have been actually getting set back all the way towards levels of February of this year. And well, from of these levels of February, this has caused about a 55% pump towards the upside. So this is huge in my opinion. Okay, during this consolidation, where we are going to be talking about in a minute, we are seeing huge amounts of open interest getting reset. We are seeing the Bitcoin funding rates getting reset. People are opening up Bitcoin short positions, and people are actually closing their Bitcoin long positions. And at the same time, also the indicators have been getting reset, because having a look into the Bitcoin RSI indicator, we are literally at the same levels from of January of this year, before we started to blast off towards the upside and create our huge rally towards the upside. So yeah, right now we are at the same exact levels, while at the same time Bitcoin is just consolidating over here. It is not doing anything all too special. It is not crashing towards the downside. No, it is just consolidating while everything has been getting reset, while we are actually consolidating at around our previous all-time high, and we are still making higher lows each and every single time, still holding our uptrend. So yeah, in my opinion, it is just going to be a matter of time before we are going to be blasting off and breaking all of these resistances towards the upside. And it is actually crazy to me how nobody is actually seeing that, how bullish this Bitcoin consolidation right now that we are getting actually is. Okay, all odds are actually stacked on top of each other, all pointing in towards the fact that we are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside. Now, if we are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside, which I think is just going to be very likely, well, the first very conservative target is going to be sitting at about the 82k level. Now the second target you may be having a look in towards is going to be from this point towards this point high, and in that case, from off the point of the breakout, we can be having a look in towards the 92k level. Now, if we are going to be having a look into what's the ultimate target, and this is going to be getting very crazy, I do not think that this is going to be very likely in a matter of weeks, but definitely, ultimately, it is going to be very possible. But we can be having a look into what's this target of all the way up towards 120k. And yeah, because of these targets, I just think it is absolutely crazy that not many people are actually paying attention in towards this symmetrical triangle. But anyways, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well and accumulating Bitcoin right now at these moments, well, make sure to check out that link down below, because you can right now be claiming this $2,000 trade over on Bybit. On top of that, you are going to be eligible for this $40,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to check out that link down below and literally claim your free money, free capital, which you can be deploying into what's the market right now, buy new altcoins, or even open up a new Bitcoin leverage trade. But anyways, yes, there are already rumors going out right now that Hong Kong actually approved multiple spot Bitcoin ETFs and also Ethereum ETFs. And because of this already, the Bitcoin price is kind of bouncing towards the upside. While Ethereum has been more kind of outperforming Bitcoin in this sense, I do think that Ethereum is going to be outperforming Bitcoin actually this year. Now, I am going to be waiting until some more actual confirmations, because yes, these are just some rumors right now going around. So just wait until the official sources actually confirm this news. Now, some people have been talking about some kind of a triple top right now getting formed for Bitcoin, but I just think that this is kind of stupid. Of course, first of all, triple tops are very, very rare in financial markets, so I do not think that it is going to be very likely to be playing out, but it is just worth to be paying attention in towards just a little bit, in case if we are going to be losing our structure. Well, in that case, I am going to be actually having a look into what some kind of a triple top maybe potentially playing out. Now, also at the same time, the stock market is going to be opening today, so have a look into what's how the stock market is going to be reacting today with the news that has been going around during this weekend with the war. Okay, because definitely if the stock market is going to be taking a hit right now because of this news that's been going on, well, definitely Bitcoin is also going to be taking a hit pretty likely. But anyways, yes, I'm just going to be investing even more into what's altcoins. I think that the alt season is nearing anytime soon right now. But of course, I've been talking about this already many times on this channel. So anyways, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me over on Twitter. And guys, with that being said, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.